In this video, I'll detail how to fix settings icon missing from the home screen on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and you couldn't find your iPhone settings on the home screen, except you go to the help library, then this video is going to show you how to bring back the settings icon to your iPhone 12 Pro Max home screen so that you can easily click on it and access the settings page. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to fix or bring back the settings icon to your iPhone 12 Pro Max homepage or home screen is go to the help library. On the help library page, locate the settings icon, press and hold it. And if you cannot find the settings icon, all you just need to do is search for the settings icon here. Then press and hold it. Mark you, there are two ways to bring back the settings icon to your iPhone 12 Pro Max home screen. When you press and hold it, you can just click on Add to Home Screen. And this is going to add the settings to your iPhone 12 Pro Max home screen. However, if you want to drag it and add it to a particular page or home screen on your iPhone, all you just need to do is click on Help Library here. Then search for settings. Then press and hold and drag like this. Or the same thing, press and hold it from here and then drag it. It's like this. That's going to add the settings app to your iPhone 12 home screen start. Then you can also drag it from wherever it is to any other pages of your choice, like maybe here. So that is how you can easily bring back or add back the iPhone 12 Pro Max settings icon that is missing on your home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.